Consider a development team managing a serverless web application on AWS. This architecture uses Amazon S3, API Gateway, AWS Lambda, and an Amazon RDS for MySQL database. The source code, including AWS SAM templates and Python scripts, is stored in an AWS code commit repository. During a security audit, it was discovered that database credentials were hard-coded in the source code. A DevOps engineer needs a process to identify these secrets and move them to a secure storage system.
Which approach is the most secure and effective? Option A, activate Amazon Code Guru Profiler with the appropriate decorator to analyze the Lambda handler, review the report manually, move secrets to AWS Systems Manager parameter store as secure strings, and update the code accordingly. Option B, configure Amazon Code Guru Reviewer to analyze the code commit repository, examine findings to locate secrets, migrate to AWS Secrets Manager, and update SAM and Python code to retrieve them.
Option C, use Amazon Code Guru Profiler by adding the required decorator to the application handler. Evaluate the report for security findings, transition secrets to AWS Secrets Manager, and update the application code to reference this service. Option D, link the code commit repository with Amazon Code Guru Reviewer. Review the recommendations to identify hard-coded secrets. Move them to AWS Systems Manager parameter store as standard strings, and update the SAM and Python code to retrieve these values.
In my view, the correct answer is option B. Amazon Code Guru Reviewer is the appropriate tool for static code analysis, as it features a dedicated secret detector capable of identifying hard-coded credentials in source code. Once identified, migrating these credentials to AWS Secrets Manager is the industry standard approach. Secrets Manager is specifically designed for database credentials and offers built-in secret rotation capabilities, which is a vital security feature for managing RDS databases effectively. Options A and C are incorrect because they suggest using Amazon Code Guru Profiler. This service is intended for analyzing performance and identifying CPU bottlenecks, not for scanning source code for security vulnerabilities. Option D is less effective than option B. While Systems Manager parameter store can store sensitive data, AWS Secrets Manager provides superior lifecycle management features that are specifically tailored to the requirements of database connection strings, making it the better choice here.